there. Got them off there, they burning. Cut that burner off. I just turned that burner off. That piece is burning on the bottom. Told you guys my first time doing this come out to be a failure. If I'd put some vegetable oil in there under that pizza, it wouldn't have stuck and it wouldn't have burnt. Well, I said it was burnt. Burnt in one spot, dough on the rest. Just dough on the rest. The burner's off. We'll put her up there, see if it'll finish cooking from the heat from the griddle. Get this door open. See, that one's not even melted. That one's raw on top and the other's melted on top. What's the difference? Just an experiment here. That one's raw on top. That one's abbreviated on top. Raw on the bottom. Melted on top. Anyway, just an experiment here. Biscuits, they got a mind of their own. So I'll be going camping Friday. Today's Monday. I'll be uploading a few videos. Camping on the river, cooking, fishing. Guys, I'll tell you, those biscuits smell good. They do smell good, and they're burnt. I think they're done. Still dough in the middle. It ain't nothing like the oven in the house. I done this experiment to see if I could cook biscuits on the river. That's why I done it. Close it up. It'll have the oven effect. So there you have it, guys. I may go ahead and stop the video here. Trying to cook pizzas on the Coleman stove and biscuits. That one's melted. This one I have no idea. It's looking better. It's looking better. Got some cheese out there. Got some cheese going to waste, biting the dust. See what it looks like on the bottom. Now guys, that one turned out better. That one actually turned out better. I could probably eat that one. I don't know what happened to this one. Probably eat the top off of it. Dang, it's hot. Body camera rocked that time and moved. I burnt my finger. Round on the bottom. I could probably eat both of them. Yep, I could eat both of them. So let's set them off to cool. Do something to these biscuits. I got my pieces off, get them wrapped up here, put them on the cutting board to carry in. Check on these biscuits. Burnt, of course. I could pull that bottom off and still eat them if they're done in the middle. Yeah, I could do this on the river. I could cook some biscuits on the river, sure can. Yeah, ain't no problem with that. Biscuits. Smell good. Sure do smell good. So I'll stop the video here. Y'all get the idea. I just made some biscuits. Just got to be more mindful and flip them more often so they don't burn. Biscuits, pizzas, cast iron cooking on Coleman stove. I'm going to cook the rest of these 4 biscuits and I'll be back. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.